In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the length of the YouTube TV free trial. The duration of the free trial can vary depending on the promotion or offer available at the time of sign-up. To check the exact length of your free trial, start by visiting the official YouTube TV website or app and look for the subscription details during the sign-up process. Typically, YouTube TV offers a 7-day or 14-day free trial, but this may change based on special promotions or partnerships. Once you've signed up, you can confirm the trial period by logging into your account, navigating to the Membership section under Settings, and reviewing the billing information. Here, you'll see the end date of your free trial and when the paid subscription will begin if you don't cancel. Always double-check the terms and conditions to avoid unexpected charges. If this video helped you find the length of your YouTube TV free trial, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.